Hello everyone. Today I've taken a trade on Bank Nifty. Today is an expiry day and I've made a profit of 11,900 and whole day I was in loss and I was into negative side, like I am expecting a fall but the market didn't fall. So in other words, I trade against the market hoping that it will fall, and another problem is buying at a high premium. So that's where I made a loss of close to you know 16 to 17,000. But in the final 30 minutes I switched to CE and made a profit of 29k. I mean 29k in CE. And I'll also try to explain you my trade setup. My trade setup is simple. I'll take the bank index in the 15 minutes time frame, and I also take the bank nifty options, sorry, futures, with the same 15 minutes time frame and with the 20-day simple moving average. Okay, and if you see that today it took lot of support at the 20-day moving average and then it bounced back, and that's where I entered the trade in a PE at that junction. So that's how I made a loss there. But finally I've recovered by switching to CE in the last 30 minutes. This is my trade setup. See, you see that. Okay, 20-day simple moving average, even not even a moving. VWAP also helps us, but this is more wonderful. If you see that, I also uh, used VWAP. That VWAP, it took support and then bounced back. When it missed the VWAP, again it took support at the 20-day simple moving average and then bounced back. And so lessons today: don't trade against the market. That I did today, hoping a luck or a jackpot. Both I missed it. And buying at a high premium. See, even everything is fine, but you buying at a high premium doesn't make you profit actually. So it's better not taking trade is much better there. Uh, I mean, today I was able to make profit close to 29k on 26,300 CE because the market was at around 26,330 or 40, and then I found out that this options running at around 5 to 9 rupees. Then I bought, immediately jumped into it, and then uh, within the within like in a minute on a bounce I sold it and made a profit. I mean, I took multiple trades there, buying at again, buying at 9 and selling at 13, then again buying at 12, selling at 17. That's how I did. So that's how I was able to make a data. So end of the day, if you see that today FIS bought 5,368 net worth into the market. That is, this is a core reason of market bouncing back, and the DIS are selling to 22,008. So DIS are still not bullish, and I'll also in follow-up video I'll tell you the DIS strategies and FIS strategies. Okay, thank you. And that's it. Thank you very much.